Everyone, in this video tonight I will be sharing with you how you can get a job in the United Kingdom from Nigeria and India. This is a comprehensive guide for 2025 and 2026. Securing a job in the United Kingdom from Nigeria or India is a goal for many professionals seeking better career opportunities, higher salaries, and international experience and exposure. The UK offers several visa routes tailored to skilled workers, healthcare professionals, and other categories. Understanding the application process, eligibility requirements, and recent changes to immigration rules is essential to maximize your chances of success in 2025 and 2026. Now, here are the key visa options for Nigerians and Indians seeking work in the UK. Number one is the skilled worker visa. The most common route for foreign nationals with a job offer from a UK employer licensed by the Home Office. This visa replaced the old Tier 2 general visa and allows you to live and work in the UK for up to 5 years, with the possibility of extension and eventual settlement. The eligibility requirements are as follows: a confirmed job offer from a UK employer who is an approved sponsor. The job must be skilled to at least RQF Level 3, equivalent to A levels, with some proposed changes, raising this to RQF Level 6, that is Bachelor's Degree level, in the near future. The salary must meet the minimum threshold, currently at least £26,200 annually, or £10.75 per hour, with some variations depending on the job and shortage occupation list. Another requirement is the proof of English language proficiency at CEFR level B2 or higher. Then a certificate of sponsorship from your sponsor. Then tuberculosis test results for applicants from Nigeria and India. Then evidence of sufficient funds to support yourself, unless you are exempt from this. Now, here are the application process. You apply online via the UK Visas and Immigration website, that is UKVI. You book and attend a biometric appointment at a visa application center in Nigeria. Centers are in Lagos and Abuja. In India, there are multiple centers across major cities. You pay the visa fees, healthcare surcharge, and any priority service fees if applicable. Then you wait for processing, which typically takes 3 weeks but can be expedited with priority services. Number two kind of job you can do is health and care worker visa. This is designed specifically for healthcare professionals such as doctors, nurses, and social care workers. It offers reduced fees and exemption from the healthcare surcharge. The eligibility criteria are similar to the skilled worker visa, but it is tailored to healthcare roles. Then number three is temporary worker visas. This is for short-term or seasonal work, including international agreements or charity work. These visas are usually valid for up to 2 years and require sponsorships. Then we also have the graduate visa. This graduate visa is for Nigerian or Indian students who have completed a degree in the UK and want to stay to work or look for work for up to 2 years after graduation. Now, here are some important documents you will need. Number one, you need a valid passport or travel document. Number two, you need certificate of sponsorship from your UK employer. Number three, you need your proof of English language proficiency, that is IELTS certificate or any other such. Then you need tuberculosis test certificate required for applicants from Nigeria and India. Then you need evidence of personal savings, usually $1,270 unless you are exempt from this. Then you need job title and salary details. Now, here are some recent and proposed changes in 2025 and 2026. Now, the skilled level requirement for the skilled worker visa is expected to rise from RQF level 3 to RQF level 6. This is limiting eligibility to jobs requiring bachelor's degree level skills or higher. The minimum salary threshold will increase. Exact figures are cannot be provided on this YouTube channel at this time. Then the immigration salary list will be replaced by a temporary shorted list, which will allow some lower skilled roles temporarily under strict conditions. Then English language requirements will increase from B1 to B2 CEFR level. The qualifying period for indefinite leave to remain, that is ILR, will extend from 5 to 10 years for skilled worker visa holder. These are the new changes. Now, here are some tips for a successful application. Secure a job offer first. Your UK employer must be on the list of licensed sponsors and willing to provide a certificate of sponsorship. Then prepare thoroughly. Double-check all documents and meet all eligibility criteria to avoid delays. Then apply early. Visa processing can take several weeks. Applying well in advance of your intended travel date is crucial. Then consider professional advice. Immigration lawyers or consultants can help navigate complex cases. Stay updated. Immigration rules may change, so monitor official UK government sources regularly. Popular sectors hiring Nigerians and Indians in the UK are as follows. Number 1 is information technology and software development. Number 2 is healthcare and social care. Number 3 is engineering and construction. Number 4 is education and research. This is where we have lecturers and those who are going in for some academic research. Then the next one, we have hospitality and customer service. As a conclusion, I need to let you know that getting a job in the UK from Nigeria or India in 2025 or 2026 requires careful planning. It also requires meeting eligibility requirements, and it also requires securing a job offer from a licensed UK employer. The skilled worker visa remains the primary route for most professionals, while healthcare and temporary worker visas offer additional pathways. Staying informed about immigration changes and preparing your application meticulously will improve your chances of success and open doors to exciting career opportunities for you or for anyone in the UK. Dr. Olugbenga Adetitun is my name, and on this channel I teach you how to make money online and offline. So going to the UK from India or from Nigeria is a way to make money and to improve your life. I want you to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share a link of this video with your family and friends. And if you have any comments or question for me, drop it in the comment section below. This video popping up by the side from my channel is the next one you need to watch now. I will see you in the next one. Bye for